Welcome. If you're looking to create another Instagram account right from your PC using the latest Instagram app update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step, making the process simple and straightforward. Whether you want a second account for business, hobbies, or just to keep things organized, follow along and you'll have your new profile set up in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the Microsoft Store. Once the app launches, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on the one labeled More. This is where you'll find additional settings and account options. Next, if you're already logged in to an Instagram account, you'll see a Login option within this menu. Go ahead and click on it. This step is important, especially if you manage multiple accounts or want to switch between them easily. Now, you'll notice a Sign Up button. Click on Sign Up to begin creating your new account. Instagram will prompt you to fill in a few fields, such as your email address or mobile number, your full name, a username, and a password. Take your time to choose a unique username that fits your new account's purpose. After filling out all the required information, double-check your details to make sure everything is correct. Once you're ready, click on Sign Up. Instagram may ask you to verify your email or phone number, so be sure to follow any additional instructions that appear. That's it. You've just created a new Instagram account using the PC app's updated process. Now you can personalize your profile, upload a profile picture, and start sharing content right away. If you want to switch between accounts in the future, just repeat these steps, and you'll be able to manage multiple profiles with ease. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.